Yes, NCERTs, not only sociology ka NCERT, all NCERTs of social science, right? You have to read, you have to refer, not only for sociology, all NCERT will help you in sociology. For example, polity ka NCERT, democracy, hai na? Features of democracy, problems in democracy, that will add knowledge matrix to sociology. We have to study, democracy, right? And we rely on NCERT ka discussion. I personally rely on NCERT ka discussion on democracy, polity, politics and society, isn't it? So you refer all NCERT book. In leisure time, Saturdays, Sundays go, target 2-3 NCERTs. You have to finish these NCERTs, isn't it? Those NCERTs, will build the basics of your knowledge matrix. उस basics से काम तो नहीं चलेगा, है ना? But that basics you have to optimize over the period of time, isn't it? Right. तो NCERT refer करिए, है ना? We have 4 NCERTs in sociology, right? We have introducing sociology, understanding society, right? So first introducing sociology, लेकिन you never expect, to understand those books, end to end or 100%, because those books are taught by a teacher in the class, isn't it? And those books are written not for students but for teachers, and teacher interpret those books to the students, isn't it? So even if you have 40% outcome, 50% understanding, be happy. Yes, right? Getting your point. Never think of understanding 100%, because there would be many terms. For example, ethnocentrism. You will not able to comprehend. That is there in that NCERT book. Usage is there, but you will fail to comprehend, isn't it? So this is. Or NCERT books you have to refer, है ना? All social science NCERT books.